In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can insert a template instead of a blank workbook whenever you are making a new workbook in Excel. So it is very natural to press Control N, and here I have book 4, which is a new workbook, or just go to File, New, Blank Workbook, and then Blank Workbook. But I can leverage templates to save me a bunch of time by going to File, New, and below we can see there are a bunch of templates that you can use, such as a monthly budget, QR code generator, academic calendar, any year custom calendars, sample invoices, and so on and so forth. And you can really kind of search them to find the one that meets your best needs, looking at different charts. So let's just say I needed an invoice template as an example. I can go through and type invoice, click search, and then here you can see there's different invoice options available. In this example, I'm just going to click on simple service invoice, click on create, and now I have an invoice in my spreadsheet, and I can very quickly and easily change the colors of this by going to page layout, colors, and I can hover over the different colors to find the one that most closely meets my needs. So just say instead of the blue, I want this orange, for example. And I can go through, and by the way, shout out to these people right here for the templates that they make. But I can right click on that, press delete, and do control space and then control minus. And now I have a invoice that I can edit and use for my customers with even like different tax rates and so on and so forth, that can really just help me save a bunch of time and make my life a little bit easier. So hope you found this to be helpful. Filter through different templates to see what they have. I've been surprised myself with some of the cool templates that they have, especially the chart ones, where it kind of pre-makes a complex chart that you can just go in and edit and save time instead of having to make it yourself. But yeah, I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.